Today we were buying this, guys, so we hit our target. So what are we going to do today, guys? It's very simple. But once was resistance is becoming support. So that's that. I would buy from here, guys, and my first target would be 147.9. And guys, my second target would be 148.434, guys. I would keep on buying this as long as we are above 147.5. If only we break below this, guys, we will be seeing 147.153, guys. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money buying this. Uh, and take care, guys. This has been a lot confusing. I could add another target as well. So that's that, guys. So take care, guys.